Welcome back to Joy Tutorials Educational Channel. If you want more updates about education, subscribe to my channel. BEd second year, fourth semester, EDN 19 paper, Contemporary Education in India. Contents total 5 units. An overview of education in India, ancient, medieval, and pre independent India. Second unit diversity, inequality, marginalization in Indian social context. Third unit status of education in Indian society. Fourth unit policy frameworks for public education in India and educational interventions. Fifth unit language policy, three language formula, multilingual debates, contemporary education economic support. In contemporary education, first unit, what are important question examination point of view I'm going to discussing. Here, explain the concept and functions of education. Explain the concept and functions of education. Here, this is a great quotation given by Buddha. I This is my favorite quotation. Here, explain the concept and functions of education. Here, do not believe in anything simply because you have heard it. Do not believe in anything simply because it is spoken and rumored by many. Do not believe in anything simply because it is found written in your religious books. Do not believe in anything merely on the authority of your teachers and elders. Do not believe in traditions because they have been handed down for many generations. But after observation and analysis, when you find that anything agrees with reason and is conducive to the good and benefit of one and all, then accept it and live up to it. Buddha. Education is a continuous and lifelong process because life continues in learning process. It starts from the womb of the mother and continues till last breath. Living in a society as a responsible social human being is the ultimate goal of human being as well as society. Meaning of education. Meaning of education. Etymologically, the term education is derived from different Latin words. Educare, it means to bring up. Educare, E for educare, edicier, educatum, educo. Educare, edicier, educatum, educo. Educare, to bring up. Here, educate. Here, the child, whatever talents we have to bring up in educate. Next one, educier. It means to bring forth. To bring educate. Educier. It means to bring forth. Next one, educatum. It means to act of teaching and training. It is a act of teaching and training. Next one, educo. It means making internal abilities into external. Educo means making internal abilities into external. This is the meaning of education. Next one, the education is the development of individual skill, value, talents. Skill, value, SVT. Here, development of individual skill, value, talents, which is leading out what is within man through knowledge and experience. Synonyms of education. SV, PA. Siksha, Vidya, Pedagogy, Andragogy. Siksha, it is derived from Sanskrit verbal root sas, which means to instruct, to teach, to control, etc. Vidya, it is also Sanskrit root word with, which means to know, knowing, acquiring, etc. Pedagogy, it is a Greek word used for education. It means the science of instruction. It means literally to lead the boy. Andragogy, it is the art and science of teaching the adult learners. Next one, functions of education. Philosophers' opinion on education broadly based on three functions of education: development of individual physical, mental, and spiritual attitudes, enabling the individual to become a useful member of society, assisting individual in self-realization. Functions of education: development of individual, enabling of the individual, assisting of individual, and development of individual in physical, mental, and spiritual attitudes, enabling the individual to become a useful member of the society, assisting individual in self-realization. Now, first function, development of individual in physical, mental, and spiritual attitudes. Education is the basis of culture and civilization. It is the instrumental in development of values in life. Next one, enabling the individual to become a useful member of society. Education cultivates to the mature individual and capable of planning for future and taking right decisions. It fosters principles of freedom, fraternity, equality, and socialism. Next one, assisting individual in self-realization. Education aims with an insight to look at lives and learn from every experience. These are three functions: development of individual, physical, mental, and spiritual attitudes, enabling the individual to become a useful member of society, assisting the individual in self realization. DEA. Okay, this is very important question from first unit. Explain the concept and functions of education. First we are writing Buddha quotation. Next one we have to be write education is a continuous and lifelong process. It starts from mother's womb and continues till last breath. Next, meaning of education. Etymologically, the term education derived from different Latin words. These are E4, E1, educare, E2, educere, E3, educatum, E4, educo. Educare, to bring up. It means to bring up. Whatever talents are there, we have to be bring up to the child. Educere, to bring forth. Next one, educate, an act of teaching and training. Educo, making internal abilities and into external. Next one here, synonyms of education: Siksha, Vidya, Pedagogy, Andragogy. Siksha, this is a Sanskrit root word. Sas means instruct, to teach, to control, etc. Vidya, this is also Sanskrit root word with me, which means to know, knower, knowing, etc. Pedagogy means, it is a Greek word, science of instructions. It is a science of instructions. Next one, andragogy. It is the art and science of teaching the adult learners. Functions of education: DEA, development of individual, physical, mental, and spiritual attitudes, enabling the individual to become a useful member of society, assisting individual in self-realization. This is all about first question. Very important. Explain the concept and functions of